5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 50, square left. 160. Slow, keep left over crest into chicane, left entry. 130, chicane, right entry. 150, crest and turn unseen square right, don't cut. 120, 4 left long tightens. 50, turn unseen 1 right. 120, turn unseen 1 left. 80, 6 right long, into 5 left. 80, crest 50, turn unseen 3 left. Opens 50, flat crest 120, crest and turn unseen 3 right, don't cut over crest. Opens 250 through dip, turn square right, don't cut. 50, turn 3 left, don't cut. Opens into 5 left, 150, slow 6 left over crest into turn 1 right, don't cut. 120, crest into 6 right, very long over bumps. 100, flat crest 120, turn late hairpin right around bales. Into 6 left, into 6 right long, opens over crest, into 4 left long, into 4 right long, tightens 3, don't cut. Into 5 left over crest, 100, 5 right, 100, 5 left, opens over crest, 80, 6 right, extra long over crest, slow 30, turn 1 left, don't cut. 30, turn unseen square left, opens 200, flat long crest, 80, 6 left, 200, flat big jump, 120, flat crest, 100, crest and 5 right over crest, slow 6 left and turn unseen square right. 100, turn unseen square right. 120, crest and 6 left long, 70, flat left over crest, 100, 5 right long tightens, into 5 left long tightens, opens a well finish, 180 to stop.